Nearly 100,000 people each year are dying of opioid overdoses. That's well over a 650% increase since 1999. Opioid overdose is now the leading cause of death for individuals between ages 18 and 45. This is an epidemic unlike any that we have ever seen in our lifetime. But with education, awareness, and preparation, we can help prevent these tragedies. Opioids are a class of chemicals related to opium, either natural or synthetic. They block pain receptors, and while effective for pain management, they can be highly addictive. Some common examples include hydrocodone, oxycodone, morphine, fentanyl, and methadone. Opioids come in many forms: pills, liquids, patches, even powder. Illicit opioids like heroin and fentanyl are even more dangerous due to the unknown substances that they may contain. Opioids flood the body's receptors, causing organs to slow down or stop functioning. In the brainstem, this can result in respiratory depression or failure, shutting down your breathing. This is what makes opioids so deadly. In an overdose, the person first stops breathing, leading to brain injury and, if untreated, cardiac arrest, where the heart stops beating. But at any stage, this process can be reversed. Even after the heart stops, there may be a chance to save them. Here's what to look for. The person may be awake, but may be unable to respond. Their breathing may be slow, uneven, or stop entirely. You may hear gasping or gurgling. Pinpoint pupils are a very classic sign of opioid overdose, and their lips or fingernails might turn blue. If you suspect an opioid overdose, here's what to do. First, check for responsiveness. Tap and shout or shake or rub the middle of the chest. Administer Narcan or naloxone, the antidote for opioid overdoses. Call 911 immediately, and if the person is not breathing, perform CPR. Turn the person on their side if CPR is not needed. This is called the recovery position. If there are any medical patches, remove them carefully with gloves. Narcan, or naloxone, is a life-saving medication that can reverse an opioid overdose in minutes. It's available as a nasal spray or an injection and is extremely safe. It only works to reverse opioid overdoses and won't harm someone in any other medical emergency. So when in doubt, use it. Narcan works almost immediately, but its effects last only 30 to 90 minutes. A person can go back into an overdose, so additional medical care is essential. Why should you carry Narcan? Opioid overdoses don't just affect those using illicit drugs. They can happen, and do happen, to anyone. It could be a neighbor or friend struggling with addiction. It could be a child who accidentally takes part of their parents' medication. It could be somebody at a party unknowingly being given something dangerous. It could even be your pet. Carrying Narcan gives you the power to save a life. Many states have Good Samaritan or medical amnesty laws that protect you and the overdose victim from legal consequences in an emergency. Whether it's possession, underage drinking, parole violations, or others, these laws exist to ensure that no one hesitates to act in a life-threatening situation. Opioid overdoses can be prevented with awareness, education, and the right tools. By recognizing the signs and acting quickly, you can save a life. Carry Narcan. Know how to respond. Learn CPR. Be prepared. HeartCert. Training heroes every day.